How I made this fancy gift wrapping. Hi there! So I decided to take it to the next level with my gift wrapping this year. I started off by cutting the names using my Cricut. Holographic vinyl ang ginamit ko para mas festive. Now let's make the bow. The materials I use are mostly from Dollarama. Kasi bawi na lang tayo sa laman. I cut the ribbon for about 15 inches and then I make a V at the ends. I-overlap lang natin siya ng ganyan, saka natin siya lagyan ng twist tie. O diba napakasimpleng gawin? Pag yan naman ay hindi nyo pa nagawa, ewan ko na lang sa inyo. Then for the wrapper, I used metallic tablecloth. Siyempre, para-paraan. Ang mahal kaya kapag gift wrapper ang ginamit natin. The only challenge with this is you have to use the big Scotch tape. Kasi kapag ginamit natin yung mga regular small sizes, it doesn't really stick well. At dito naman sa ribbon, huwag ka na mag-go around. Kung ano lang yung nakikita, yun na lang ang lagyan. Tipid-tipid din pag may time. At ito na, idikit na natin yung cut names. This is another challenge kasi yung ribbon na ginamit natin ay may glitters. So, yung vinyl, ang hirap niya talagang idikit. Pero syempre, para-paraan, we got it done. And then, ayan, yung bow, i-twist tie lang natin siya malapit sa name for final look. Then, voila! Mukha nang mamahalin, di ba? Yan lang, bye!